Our Mealtime Essentials collections come beautifully presented, the perfect gift for grown-up little ones getting ready to start nursery or school to really support them in their quest for independence at mealtimes. Now, too grown up for bibs, our Waxed Cotton Napkins are perfect to protect their clothes with a flannel on the reverse side for wiping those fingers at the end. It's our favourite with preschoolers. The catch-all lip helps minimise spillages, and the different size sections are great for when they don't want those foods or sauces to touch. And of course, our multi-award winning cutlery, a firm favourite amongst parents, experts, and most importantly, children themselves. The uniquely shaped handles support grip development, allowing them to independently cut up their food whilst practicing their fine motor skill development. All of these goodies come in one of our beautiful keepsake gift boxes designed to be reused as a storage box for memories, toys, or just about anything that works for you. The perfect gift of early years essentials that will be used every day, offering learning for life.